Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality pictures to Facebook. Alright guys, here I have opened my Facebook application on my phone, and actually there is no option to upload high quality pictures to Facebook, but don't worry guys, because I'm going to show you the tricks. So the first thing we're going to do is creating the Facebook post with our pictures. We can tap on this option. Then before you select the pictures that you want to upload to your Facebook, you have to tap on the setting button right here and make sure that you activate this feature, additional data use. You just need to tap on this toggle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, your photo will be uploaded in a better quality. Then you just need to go back and select the pictures from your device that you want to upload, and I'm gonna go with this one. So we can tap on the picture, then we can click on next, and after that the photos will be uploaded to our Facebook. Alright yes, and that's how we can upload high quality pictures on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.